Opt for the available Gooseneck Fifth-Wheel Prep Package and gain a spray-in bed liner, factory-stamped holes on the cargo box floor, 7-way bed-mounted trailer wire connector, and up to an impressive 35,500-pound maximum towing capacity. A 1-inch lower bed lift in height compared to the previous generation Silverado HD optimizes fifth wheel and gooseneck hitching. Cargo box sides also provide enough clearance to help avoid potential box rail and gooseneck or fifth wheel trailer contact when the trailer arm swings out. Available bed view provides additional aid during the hitching process. You can access this available view in the camera app menu to briefly check on items in the pickup bed for added peace of mind. Use the body side bed steps to check on connections or when hitching a gooseneck or fifth wheel trailer for yet another viewpoint of the cargo bed. When equipped with this package, a 7-way trailer wire connector is conveniently mounted inside the bed on the driver's side. Gooseneck and fifth wheel specific trailer checklists are also part of the advanced trailering system and myChevrolet mobile app. All of this shows Silverado HD's commitment to offering a confident trailering experience. For more information, please refer to your owner's manual.